Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at a special edition Manchester United shirt for the 25-26 season, and the shirt was purchased from bestzv2.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link from the usual seller, which will take you through to their items. Hopefully I'll be able to just link it straight through to Manchester United so that you can then see what items they've got. It won't be for this one. I can say this is a special edition one, and you can't always get these from some of the sellers. So the shirt comes in a standard bag, and on the flip side it does have the usual health warnings. If you are new around here, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, by all means leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But this is a special edition Manchester United shirt from bestzv2.com. I think it comes with a pair of shorts as well. No socks. I think it's just a pair of shorts. But we'll take a look when we get it out of the bag. And on that note, let's get it out of the bag and take a full detailed look. Okay, we'll start at the front of the shirt. It's got sort of your standard sort of ring neck collar. Adidas embroidered in. Pattern goes down to the sleeve, which looks really nice. Adidas embroidered in. Likewise, the Manchester United badge embroidered on. Snapdragon sponsor, really smooth actually. That's vinyl on. And then you've got this really nice lion design down the bottom here. I do like those colours. I think that looks really smart. Like the pink and the purple. That looks really, really nice. The material itself of the shirt, it's a nice shiny sort of material, and also you've got the aero ready at the bottom there. So this is a kid's shirt, so it is a little bit smaller with a loose cotton just there on the sleeve, but nothing to really worry about. And that side all looks good. So there's the front of the shirt. We'll flip it around and look at the reverse. Okay, we're on to the reverse side now. The stitching around the neck all looks good. You have got that little padding as well, just there. Loose cotton there, but a pair of scissors will soon sort that out. Sleeves all look nice. Again, I do enjoy the look of this purple. I think that looks proper nice. And the pattern on the back continues. Obviously, you've got the lion there. It's actually lion, and a lion there in there. But yeah, the pattern looks really, really smart. As the black transfers into the purple, which looks absolutely outstanding. And it's weird because I could only find like kids versions of this one. It is actually for a friend of mine, but yeah, could only find the kids version of this one, and not every seller had it. So I think it was only this seller of bestzv2.com that I could find it from. But there's the reverse side. Let's take a look now at the inside as well. Okay, we're now onto the inside. You've got these sort of tags that you always get with them. Size 28, this is the largest size that you can get in the kids items, and the tag is actually empty on the inside. You can see the Adidas stripes which have been embroidered into the material. Stitching all down there, looks nice and tidy. Bit of excess cotton now on the Man United badge, but nothing to really worry about. Likewise with the Adidas, a few extra bits of cotton, but nothing again to be concerned by. Stitching under the arm looks good. On that side looks good. The washing instructions, recommendation when washing these sort of shirts is to do as it is now, flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry it, just let them hang dry. Never put them in a tumble dryer. Inside the hem all looks good, a little bit wonky there, but the stitching all looks good. I just thought you got the Snapdragon sponsor here, which is super smooth. Can't even feel where that is, so that's gone on really, really nicely. I've just noticed how well the line comes through on this side. But there's the first part of the inside done. Let's flip it around and look at the final part now. Okay, it's the final part of the inside of the shirt. And here's the neck protection that we looked at earlier. You've also got this sizing guide, size 28, so this is the largest kid size that you can get. And this is for a 13-year-old. Moving around the bottom, yet again the hemline all looks nice and tidy. If I push in there, you can't see the manufacturer or the badge. I can feel where they are obviously if I'm pushing in, but I can't see anything else. This little bit of thing will come off up here. It's just got where they've vinyled it on, so look, that comes off, and then you've got nothing covering it up. But there's not a lot to really show you on this side, but there it is, the final part of this Manchester United special edition shirt with a lion on it from bestzv2.com.
And I mentioned as well that you get a pair of shorts, and these are the shorts. So you've got the Manchester United badge on that side, and you've got the Adidas 3 stripes on that side, and also down the side you do have the Adidas emblem, and you've got the drawstring at the top. Just to show you a close up of the badge, which looks really tidy, and the Adidas over that side. It's nice to get a pair of shorts, no socks with it, and say just a pair of shorts, but happy with that nonetheless. There's the final look at the shorts. A nice little added feature.
And there we have it, our Manchester United special edition shirt with the lion on it from bestzv2.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for major seller, which will enable you to have a look at their items. I'll try and link it direct through to Manchester United ones, but if I can't, it'll just be to some generic item. For me, I really like this one. I just love that lion. I think it looks so smart. Delivery timescales, you're looking between 10 and 15 days for these items to arrive, which is absolutely spot on now, and that was even on the build up to Christmas, which again, cannot fault from either the seller or local delivery. If you've enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe as well if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, by all means leave them below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, as I give you the final look of the Manchester United Lions Special Edition from bestzv2.com. Let me know what you think below. Thank you very much for watching, I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.